Okay, problem 5 and 4-3, your background is the same, the quadratics and so forth that is going on. These are pretty important. You've got a little more than some of them. This one you are going to do by determining where the vertex is. You don't have to complete the square to do it. Your A here is 1. It's a positive number. Since it's greater than 0, it opens upward. Then you're going to find the vertex by using negative b over 2a. b is 4, negative 4. 2a, 2 times 1, 2. Negative 4 over 2 is negative 2. If you plug that in and evaluate it, it is 0. That is the answer there. So you've got a 0. So negative 2, 0. Then you go through and answer the rest of your questions. Your axis of symmetry is always the line, the vertical line that cuts directly through the vertex. So that would be x equals negative 2. Your y-intercept, let x be 0. When x is 0, then y turns out to be 4. Your x-intercepts, since your vertex is on that, the only one you're going to have is going to be that negative 2, 0. But here kind of goes through the whole process of doing it. Would be x plus 2 and x plus 2. That's x plus 2 squared. If you take the square root of both sides, you get x plus 2 is equal to 0, and then x equals negative 2. You've got the same root two different places. Of course, you could have done it by other methods too. When it's graphed, you see that you only have this one point right here. This is your y-intercept, 1x-intercept, axis of symmetry. Doing it with MyMathLab, your vertex was negative 2, 0. So you would click the tool, and then you would click over to the vertex, and then you have to have one more point, and 0, 4. That y-intercept is really the point you would use with this. Your domain, as with all quadratics, is all real numbers, and the range is 0 to infinity, because you really didn't have an upward movement involved to change it, so the range would stay that. Where is it increasing and where is it decreasing? Well, it starts increasing at the vertex at negative 2 and goes on, negative 2 on. It was decreasing from the beginning at negative infinity till it got to negative 2. Notice the increasing and decreasing. It changes where the vertex is. That's what the vertex is where it changes from decreasing to increasing, or vice versa if it turns the other direction. It would increase and then decrease.